So now we have what's called the product property of logarithms. And this one I'm going to go through and show you where it comes from. I'm not going to do it for all of them, but I'll show you this one. So first we have these basic conditions. M has to be greater than 0, N is greater than 0, A is greater than 0, and A can equal 1. All right, then we have this property over here. So I'm going to show you where that comes from. Pretend that log base A of M equals X, okay? And then pretend that log base A of N equals Y. All right. So if I were to write this logarithm equation in an exponential form, I would have A to the X equals M, right? And then for the other one, if I did the same thing, I'd have A to the Y equals N. Now what if I wanted to multiply M times N? So I want to take M times N. Then I would get A to the X times A to the Y. But we know how to work with that because we've worked with exponent properties before. The bases are the same, and so you could add those properties, right? Okay, now we're going to say, now we're going to take the logarithm of that expression, okay? So we're going to say log, let's see, log base A of A to the X plus Y. Well, that just equals X plus Y, because we did that from property 4 on the last screen. But what is X plus Y? Well, X is, you have to go way back up here. X is log A of M, log A of M, and Y is log A of N, okay? Now what about this stuff over here? What does this equal? That equals M times N, right? So log A M times N equals log base A M plus log base A N. So that's where it comes from. If you want to follow through that, you might have to watch it again. It's okay. It's just showing you where the property comes from. And I'm not going to do it for all of the properties, but I thought I would do it for one of them. Now, a note. I would put parentheses around the M times N. I don't know that they always do in the textbook, but I would put parentheses around that. So what is this property saying? It's saying if you have multiplication in the argument, you can split it up into two separate logarithms. Now note that all the bases are the same for the logarithms. It stays log base A for all three of them. Okay, so we're going to use this product property in the next video.